Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Sophie's Bio Web. Please subscribe to get more new videos. Today, in this particular video, I am going to talk about organisms and population. It is chapter number 13 of second year biology. Here in this chapter, topics to be covered are: number 1 is introduction. Introduction. Then ecology. Then abiotic factors. Then response of organisms. Adaptations. Then attributes of population. Attributes of population. Then growth model. There are two growth models. Number 1 is exponential growth model. Exponential growth model. Then another one is logistic growth model. Logistic growth model. Then population interactions. Next topic is population interactions. This is the last topic. Population interactions. Where we will have to learn about parasitism. Then commensalism. Then mutualism. Then predation. Then competition. Then amensalism. This one is the last interaction of population. This one is amensalism. Here, these are the main topics. These are the main agenda of this chapter. Here in this chapter, main theme is how living beings and with the living beings and abiotic component are interrelated, are dependent with each other. This is the main theme of this chapter. Suppose if we consider a simple example, say lion. This one is an organism. This organism has to depend on deer for food. That means lion feeds upon deer. This deer again depends on plant being for survival. This plant being has to prepare their food oneself with the help of H2O, H2O, that means water. water. This water is again plant being absorbs from soil. That means plant being also depends on soil. Plant being acquires carbon dioxide for preparing food from environment. With the help of carbon dioxide and H2O, plant being prepares their food in the presence of sunlight. Since plant being produces food in the presence of sunlight, that is why this mechanism of production of food of plant being is known as photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to produce. Photo means light and synthesis means to produce. That means plant being produces food in the presence of sunlight. And in the mechanism of photosynthesis, in the process of photosynthesis, one gas is produced which is known as carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is oxygen. This oxygen is highly required by lion. This oxygen is highly required by deer for survival. And not only lion and deer, another animal beings also requires oxygen for survival. Now, how lion interrelated with deer, how deer interrelated with plant being, and how plant being interrelated with carbon dioxide. Indirectly, lion, deer, and all other animals also interrelated with carbon dioxide, H2O, and soil. These are biotic component of environment. Biotic means living being, living component. Biotic component of environment. And these are abiotic component of environment. Abiotic component of environment. These are biotic component and these are abiotic component of environment. These biotic components are interrelated with each other, and these biotic components are interrelated with the abiotic component of environment. This study of this relationship is known as ecology. This study of relationship of living being and with the abiotic component of environment is known as ecology. That means ecology is the branch of biology which deals with study of relationship among living being and with the abiotic component of environment is known as ecology. Thank you for watching.